Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieved this extremely moisturized and defined twist out using Miche Beauty. Stay tuned.
You are black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you loving you. Baby, you are a queen.
Alright, jumping right into this video. So I am starting off with shampooing my hair using their Cleanse, Moisturizing, and Cleansing Sulfate Free Shampoo. Their shampoo is made to thoroughly remove product buildup without stripping your hair and also your scalp of any natural oils. Also, it's made to deeply penetrate and repair your hair, protect, and also restore any damaged cuticles. So after I apply all of these shampoo in my hair, I rinse it out and this is how my hair looks. It's so moisturizing and very soft. So now I'm going to go ahead and deep condition my hair using their Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. The consistency on this is very amazing. It's very thick, and also immediately when I applied it on my hair, I felt a major difference. Like my hair feels very moisturizing, and also it makes my hair feel soft as well. So I really love the texture and how this product makes my hair immediately feel. So now what I'm doing is just going on the back of my hair, and I like to work in sections so that way I can really get any tangles out of my hair and so that I can work the product throughout my hair. When I apply the deep conditioner on my hair, I like to use my fingers first to help detangle it so that way I can feel my knots or tangles better, and that way I can have less shedding. After I have used my fingers, I also follow up with using my detangling comb, just making sure that I receive no tangles. So I want to make sure that I have no tangles. This is the process that I like to do, so that way when I do rinse it out, I don't really have a lot of work to do when styling my hair. So this is how my hair looks with all of it in. So I did rinse it out with cold water, and this is how it looks, and also feels really nice. So now I'm using their Lavish leave-in conditioner. Their leave-in conditioner is made with aloe vera and also avocado oil, so it is a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and also softens your dry hair. So far, this product line is really giving my hair life, y'all. Like, this is really making my hair feel very well moisturized, which is amazing, especially for my dry, high porosity hair. So moving on, we're gonna go ahead and use the Miche Beauty Polished Hair and Scalp Oil, which is made with argan and jojoba oil. So it is a lightweight moisturizing oil blend, and it's also for all hair types. So I'm just applying it throughout my hair. I am doing the lock method, so that's why I am using the oil for the next step. So I'm just also applying it on my scalp as well. Then I just take my fingertips and I just massage it on my scalp. So now I'm using the Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. This twisting butter is very thick and also very moisturizing. As soon as I applied it on my hair, I definitely felt the moisture. So this whole product line so far is amazing, especially with the moisture. Like, I am so digging it. So now I'm just taking my detangling brush just to ensure that I have no tangles, which I really didn't. Then I just proceed with doing a 2-strand twist, and then when I get to the ends of my twist, I just use my fingers to help twirl it around and define it. I will be creating twists all throughout my hair, so I'm just repeating the same process. This is how my hair look with all of the juicy twists in, y'all. Yes, look at all of those twists. They're so juicy. So I slept in these for 2 days, and I also applied some bands just to make sure that my hair is very well stretched. And as you see here, I'm just feeling my hair, just making sure it is dry, and it really felt moisturizing just by feeling it. Y'all, I already could tell this is about to come out bomb. So I just applied some oil on my hand just to make sure that I have no frizz when taking it down. And because my hair is very well moisturized, I had very minimum frizz, y'all. So as you see, the definition is definitely there. So I'm just going to keep proceeding with taking these down. This is like my favorite part, just seeing how well defined my curls are, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at that, look at that. I was so afraid to separate the curls because I was like, oh my gosh. But you know me, I love voluminous hair, so we're gonna go ahead and separate the curls. And really, it was so easy to separate because it was very well moisturized. As you see, it naturally separates on its own. Like, I barely even had to, I didn't even really have to force it, y'all. So you can definitely see that. Now I'm just taking my pick and I'm just going to be picking at my roots only just to achieve the volume that I'm going for. So I just keep on picking and picking and picking, and as you see, it starts to get bigger, but the curls are still there, which is a plus. So what I'm about to do is style my hair. I'm about to do a little cute look. So I'm taking this part right here and I'm going to be pinning this back. I'm going to be taking my bobby pins to help secure it. And then after I apply the bobby pins, I'm taking my pick again to help shape up my hair, especially for the look that I'm going for. And now I'm applying some pearl hair clips on my hair just to spice up the look, and y'all, it's definitely a look. This is the finished look. This is how my hair looks from the back and also the side. You can get this exact same look if you can just enter the giveaway. So click the link in my description box to enter. All you have to do is enter your name and your email, and also the other giveaway rules will be in the description box. So go ahead and check it out, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love y'all. Bye.